Disabling automatic restrictions in Outlook 2026 can help you manage your email settings more effectively. Follow these steps to adjust the settings. Step 1. Open Outlook 2026. Launch the Outlook 2026 application on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your email account. Step 2. Access File menu. Click on the File tab located in the top left corner of the window. This will take you to the account information screen. Step 3. Select Options. In the left sidebar, click on Options. This will open the Outlook Options dialog box where you can customize various settings. Step 4. Navigate to Trust Center. In the Outlook Options dialog, find and click on Trust Center in the left pane. Then, click on the Trust Center Settings button to access more detailed options. Step 5. Adjust automatic download settings. In the Trust Center window, select Automatic Download from the list. Here, you can uncheck the boxes that enable automatic restrictions such as downloading pictures or content from the internet. Click OK to save your changes. After completing these steps, you should have successfully disabled automatic restrictions in Outlook 2026. Feel free to explore other settings to further customize your email experience.